How you doing, guys? Now it's cold. It is cold. Bit of a cheffy one, this one. A crispy poached egg. Yes, there's a little bit of skill involved, some technique, timing, but I think you'll get it. And the outcome's absolutely delicious. I did it with a Mornay sauce. It's a rich dish. Mornay sauce, rich dish. Rich dish. It's funny. Get it. I did a Mornay sauce with some cheddar cheese and some preserved lemon. Because the dish is so rich, you really need that tang of that lemon just to cut it. But man, it's really, really good. I tried the first egg with breadcrumbs, and it turned out well, but I didn't like the look of it. And I know grits make a good breading, grits, and they look very well as well. When it's deep fried and they come out, it looks very, very well. So I chose grits, and I am not disappointed. So if you can get grits, try deep frying it because it is amazing. Anyway, sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks, guys. For the Mornay sauce, add unsalted butter to a pan. When melted, add flour. And cook out for 5 minutes. When it smells like a baked cookie, add half of the milk and stir until thick. Add the rest of the milk and again stir until thick. For my cheese, I'll be using a white cheddar. It has a great tang and it'll go fantastic with my crispy egg. Turn the heat down to low, grate cheese, and stir well. Because the dish is so rich, I needed something to cut the richness. I chose a preserved lemon, which is a pickled lemon and is widely used in Moroccan cooking. Slice and dice and add to the sauce. Stir well and keep warm. For the poached eggs, add a touch of vinegar to the water. This will make the whites firm up faster. Bring to a boil, then simmer. Make a whirlpool. Add the egg in the same direction and poach for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add to an ice bath. Next, pat dry the egg carefully with a paper towel. For the first breading, I use breadcrumbs. And for the second, I use grits. Carefully add the egg to the oil and fry 2 minutes. I didn't like the appearance of the breadcrumbs, and for me, the grits won in appearance and taste. So there you have it, a bit cheffy, but absolutely delicious. Thanks, guys.